Imagine, what if our home planet Earth were to suddenly disappear? What would be the implications for our solar system, life as we know it, and our understanding of the universe? First, consider the delicate dance of our solar system. The planets, moons, and other celestial bodies all exert gravitational forces on one another, maintaining a careful balance. Remove Earth from this equation, and we are likely to see significant disruptions. The orbits of neighboring planets could be altered, potentially leading to celestial chaos. Secondly, Earth hosts the only known life in the universe. If it were to vanish, so would every life form it sustains. This would also impact the ongoing search for extraterrestrial life, as Earth provides a vital blueprint for the conditions necessary for life's existence. Our moon, Earth's ever-present companion, would also feel the effects. Without Earth's gravitational pull, the moon could end up in a new orbit or even be flung out into the cosmos, becoming a wanderer among the stars. Then, we must consider the scientific implications. Earth has been instrumental in our understanding of the cosmos. Its position and properties have enabled countless discoveries, from observing astronomical phenomena to exploring distant galaxies. Without Earth, these scientific pursuits would be impossible. Finally, the disappearance of Earth would mean the loss of all human history and culture. Landmarks, artifacts, and collective heritage would vanish along with our planet. The stories and memories that have shaped our species would be extinguished. In conclusion, while this is a purely hypothetical scenario, it underscores the profound interconnectedness of Earth with the cosmos. Our planet's unique properties and position make it a linchpin for life, knowledge, and culture. The thought experiment serves as a sobering reminder of the fragility and significance of our cosmic home in the vast expanse of the universe.